Hey guys, let's go back through our numbers that we have learned so far. 1, start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. We have 1 finger, 1 dot, 1 block, and 1 die. All right, O-N-E 1. Start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Number 2, make a candy cane, give it a chew. That's the way you make a 2. 2 fingers, 1, 2, 2 dots in a tens frame, 1, 2, 2 peppers, TWO 2. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Around and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Here are 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3, and 3 in a tens frame, 1, 2, 3. Down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Here's 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 dots in a tens frame, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, let's look at the number 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Let's look at the next one. 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots in a tens frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a C and then an O. Now you've made a 6, you know. 6 hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 fingers and then 2 more is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 o'clock and 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make an S and then don't wait. Go back up and make an 8. 8 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 smiley faces, 8 on the clock, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots in the tens frame.